Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to move props in Grow a Garden 2. Like if you want to rearrange your garden, the process is super easy. First, just tap on the build menu, this one, and then next just tap on the props that you want to move. In here, I want to move this letter, and then next just tap on this blue button, this one. Just tap on it and then just tap and hold and then just drag it to the area that you want, like this. Just place it whenever you want in your garden, like this. You can see it. You can just move it, to the place that you want, like this. You can see it, and just like that you will done move this prop, like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. That's how you can quickly move props in Grow a Garden 2 and organize your garden exactly the way you like. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.